Welcome to Book Review in a Minute. Today, we're reviewing the Little Book of Valuation, How to Value a Company, Pick a Stock and Profit by Aswath Damodaran. Known as the Dean of Valuation, Damodaran simplifies the complex world of valuation, making it accessible to everyone, from beginners to seasoned investors. This book covers two main types of valuation: intrinsic and relative. Intrinsic valuation focuses on estimating a company's value based on its fundamentals like cash flow and growth potential. Relative valuation, on the other hand, compares a company to similar firms using multiples like P/E ratios. Damodaran breaks down the process of valuing different types of companies, from startups to established giants. He provides clear, step-by-step methods and real-world examples to illustrate key concepts. One of the standout features is the practical approach to applying these valuation techniques to make better investment decisions. A key takeaway from the Little Book of Valuation is the importance of understanding a company's narrative and numbers. By integrating both qualitative and quantitative analysis, Damodaran teaches readers how to develop a well-rounded perspective on a company's worth. Whether you're looking to pick the next big stock or make informed investment decisions, this book is a valuable resource. It demystifies valuation, empowering you to assess any company confidently. If you enjoyed this review, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest book reviews. Thanks for watching.